So that is why parabolas or parabolic mirrors are used. Now, before moving on to the lens or the mirror formula, we have just done the spherical mirrors. So now we'll move on to mirror formula. Mirror formulas to find the exact position and the magnification of image. We are going to use image mirror formula, which is 1 upon V plus 1 upon U, which is equal to 1 upon F. What is V, U and F? V is the image distance, U is the object distance, F is the focal length. But we are going to talk about them in detail. Before that, we have to study about the sign conventions. And what are sign conventions? How signs or how distances are taken positive and negative. See this diagram. All distances which are on the left side is negative, which are on the right side is positive. The distances which are on the upright or upward side towards the y-axis is positive, minus y-axis is negative. So this whole system, Cartesian format, this always follow a simple sign convention of the line diagrams which you have done in the number line system. That is positive, negative, positive, negative. This has to be followed. The thing is, the observer should always be in front. That means on the left hand side of the mirror, whatever mirror here, even if it is convex or concave, object should be on this side. And if object is on this side, the whole thing gets reversed. That means this distance becomes negative, that distance becomes positive. So these are the sign convention for convex and concave mirror. And now we'll go for the mirror formula.